Affiliate marketing programs are a popular way for businesses to promote their products or services and for individuals to earn money online. In this article, we will discuss what affiliate marketing programs are, how they work, and the benefits they offer. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards an affiliate, also known as a publisher or partner, for each customer they bring to the business. The affiliate earns a commission for each sale, lead, or click generated through their marketing efforts. Affiliate marketing programs are an agreement between a business and an affiliate where the affiliate promotes the business's products or services through various marketing channels such as a website, social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. The affiliate receives a unique tracking link or code that they use to promote the business's products or services. When a customer clicks on the affiliate's tracking link or code and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. The commission rate varies depending on the business and the product or service being promoted. How affiliate marketing programs work. Affiliate marketing programs work by creating a win-win situation for both the business and the affiliate. The business benefits from increased exposure and sales, while the affiliate earns a commission for their marketing efforts. Here are the steps involved in the programs. The business creates an affiliate program and provides the affiliate with a unique tracking link or code. The affiliate promotes the business's products or services through various marketing channels. When a customer clicks on the affiliate's tracking link or code and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. The business tracks the affiliate's sales and pays the affiliate their commission. Benefits of these programs. They offer several benefits for both businesses and affiliates. Benefits for businesses. Increased exposure. Affiliate marketing programs allow businesses to reach a wider audience and increase their exposure. Cost-effective. They are also cost-effective as businesses only pay affiliates when they generate a sale, lead, or click. Increased sales. These programs can increase a business's sales as affiliates promote the business's products or services to their audience. Brand awareness. They can increase a business's brand awareness as affiliates promote the business's products or services to their audience. Benefits for affiliates. Passive income. Affiliate marketing programs offer affiliates a way to earn passive income by promoting products or services they believe in. Flexibility. Also, they offer affiliates flexibility as they can promote products or services in their own time and through various marketing channels. No inventory. They do not require affiliates to hold any inventory as they promote the business's products or services. Low risk. These programs are low risk for affiliates as they do not have to invest any money to promote the business's products or services. In summary, affiliate marketing programs are a popular way for businesses to promote their products or services and for individuals to earn money online. They offer several benefits for both businesses and affiliates, including increased exposure, cost-effectiveness, increased sales, passive income, flexibility, no inventory, and low risk. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, consider joining an affiliate program or becoming an affiliate today.